In darkness I lingered mid doubt and despair, since bondage long held me a captive to care. But Jesus delivered my soul from its chains. His precious blood cleansed me from sin's guilty stains. The world and its pleasures did tempt me to stray. I saw not the danger that lurked on the way. The toils closed around me, I knew no release. But Jesus has found me and given me his peace. Get right with God, his pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take him, O sinner, and get right with God.
So basically, I had purchased a drill, which helped me put up the fence together. And so I just want to show you briefly how it works. So you want to make sure you hold onto that rim that you see there. And, all right, you hold it firmly and you turn. This will allow you to put the screw, desired screw, into the hole. That's to open. And this is to close. As you can see there. Yeah, say close. Close. So that's that. Okay. Very easy. Make sure also you lean it against something hard so you can do that. And then you have the screw. You just open it like that. Very easy. Make sure you hold it, the other rim firmly so that you could put in the chuck. And like that. And make sure as you're tightening it, it's securely tight. Otherwise, it will not do the job that it's supposed to when you're drilling. And that's that. It's ready to go. Make sure the buttons are both not pressed in so that it's not in operation. And that's to reverse it. And that's to bring it the other direction. That'll bring it counterclockwise. And that's simple. And that's to close it back so you can't use it. You can't use it. That's right. Okay. So when you finish operating the drill, remember to remove the screw, just for safety precautions. So here we go. I am removing the screw and bring it back, putting it back to its rightful place. And now I'm just going to reclose that because I finished use the drill. And there you go. When you have children, you make sure that is kept in a very high secure place. And here are the safety goggles you want to wear during operation. And you store it in a very high shelf, and no screws are in place, as would be quite dangerous. And there you go. So in addition to the goggles, I also use a face shield to avoid any wood chips flying in my nose, mouth, and eyes. If you're new to our channel, feel free to subscribe to be updated in any of our future Christ-centered educational videos. Thank you once again for your support. Thank you for sharing, and may God bless you.
Get right with God, His pardon is free. Get right with God, He's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take Him, O sinner, and get